In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a checking account online with the Bancorp Bank. This straightforward process can be done from the comfort of your home, making it quicker and more convenient for you to start managing your finances with confidence. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the official One Point Checking account page. This is where everything begins. By visiting the One Point Checking page, you'll be able to get an overview of what this checking account has to offer and determine if it meets your banking needs. Some of the standout features include no minimum balance requirement and zero monthly service fees, which can save you money right off the bat. There's also no annual fee for the Visa or check card that you'll use for ATM withdrawals and purchases, making your transactions smooth and hassle-free. The One Point Checking account offers online bill payment and presentment, which adds convenience as you'll be able to manage your bills directly from your account. You'll have access to detailed account information, including balances and transaction history, right at your fingertips. Plus, the electronic statements mean one less piece of paper to worry about, and you can keep track of all your activities online. If you're someone who needs to write checks often, the unlimited check writing feature will be particularly useful, and the free first order of standard checks is a nice bonus. For those who want additional security, there's optional overdraft protection available when linked with a One Point savings account. Once you've reviewed these features and decided this is the right product for you, you'll want to locate and click on the Apply Now button on the One Point Checking account page. Clicking this will kickstart the application process. From there, you'll need to fill out the application form. This is an essential step where you'll provide some key details such as your full name, social security number, date of birth, address, contact information, and employment and income details. Be sure to enter all information accurately, as any incorrect details could delay the process. In some instances, the Bancorp Bank might require additional identification documents for verification purposes. It's helpful to have digital copies of your government-issued ID, like a passport or driver's license, and proof of address, such as a utility bill or lease agreement ready, just in case you're asked to submit these. Once you've completed the application, carefully review all the entered information. After ensuring everything is correct and complete, go ahead and submit your application for processing. Now it's just a matter of awaiting confirmation. Upon approval, you will receive the details of your new One Point Checking account, including your Visa R check card and relevant account information. If you run into any issues or have questions during your application, don't hesitate to reach out to the Bancorp Bank support team. You can contact them by phone, email, or through the online support options available on their contact page. They're there to assist you and ensure your experience is as smooth as possible.